Lordship, answer the petition.
15.
Yes, Lordship.
Report by.
My lord, I am for the state.
What is the issue?
The issue is, Your Lordship, on the date of poll that was captured by the hooligans, bomb halt, and for that reason, the agent, who is the husband of the candidate, he was hospitalized for
Yes. Hospitalized for what?
Your Lordship, just because of the attack which was done by the hooligans, Your Lordship. So for that reason, Your Lordship, a writ was moved. Now, Lordship, I have received the report 2 days back, Your Lordship. 3 things produced from the state, Your Lordship. 3 things produced from that report. Number 1, as per the presiding officer diary, nothing happened, Your Lordship. But as per my petition, Your Lordship, I have annexed all the photos, all the tickets, all the prescriptions of the hospital, number 1, all the applications. Moreover, Your Lordship, I doubt who is right. Because, Your Lordship, I have all the videos with me, everything, what is the person was doing inside, the hooligans, everything. But though the presiding officer said nothing happened, Your Lordship. So I am right now praying for the liberty to implement the presiding officer as a party, Your Lordship. Because he said nothing happened, Your Lordship. Nothing happened. But Your Lordship, this is the video, how the booth was captured.
17.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lodged the FIR. Petitioner.
Yes, on 17.
And what were the police doing?
Incident of 8.
What was the police doing?
After 17th, my lord,
Before 17th? On 8th?
17th, my lord, there is no intimation to the police, no FIR,
Lordship, may I?
no intimation to the
Was the booth manned by the police personnel, CAPF?
CAPF was not there.
Why?
My lord, state police was there.
State police was there.
No, Your Lordship, my report says that the counting venue was secured.
Not counting.
Not counting.
Yes,
Poll.
Polling.
Where is the CCTV footage? It must be there with you. The footages are there with the respective returning officers,
Figure.
isn't it?
CCTV
Footage will be there.
CCTV footage is figure. Paragraph 11.
আসুন তো দেখি।
Lordship, the police personnel were there at the time of the attack, Your Lordship.
They were there. No report lodged.
No, nothing, Your Lordship. They can done in suo moto, Your Lordship.
আচ্ছা লিখুন তো। Report filed by the State Election Commission and the Panchayat Returning Officer in court today are taken on record.
No.
Stop. Copy of the same handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Paragraph: the petitioner submits that there has been massive violence on the day of the poll. Stop. The police present on the said date remained there as mute spectators. No steps were taken either to stop the violence or to take action against the miscreants. Stop. Next. Paragraph: the report of the presiding officer's diary, not the report, the presiding officer's diary do not mention anything as regards the violence as alleged. Stop. Next. Leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to implead the presiding officer as party respondent in the instant writ petition and serve a copy of the writ petition upon the added respondent. Stop. The presiding officer is directed to file an affidavit apropos the allegation made by the petitioner in the writ petition.
My lord, in the petition, there is no allegation in respect of on 8. There is
Nothing?
On 9, they have made a representation.
No, but the incident took place on 8th. Is that there?
Yes, my lord, on presentation, my lord, on 9, it has been stated. Yes.
Yes,
They
Your
will. The presiding officer will answer with respect to the violence on 8th
The presiding officer will answer.
in the instant writ petition and another writ petition ওখানে stop করে দিন stop না within ওই same date দিয়ে দিন 13th returnable on the 17th copy of the affidavit shall be circulated in advance. Stop. The panchayat returning officer and the block development officer is directed to forward the CCTV footage in respect of the particular booth in question on the day of the poll in a pen drive so that the same may be viewed in court.
Lordship, can the CD be produced on the next day? The case diary. The FIR was lodged, Your Lordship.
But on the 17th,
Yes, Your Lordship. Because at that time, Your Lordship, I was fighting with my life, Your Lordship. I can provide all the documents where I was admitted, Your Lordship, everything, Your Lordship.
you were admitted or your husband?
My husband, Your Lordship. My husband, not my husband was the agent, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My husband was the agent. He was admitted, Your Lordship. He was admitted, and I have annexed all the documents in this regard, Your Lordship, and also the complaint. Moreover,
I require the CD.
what steps they have taken, Your Lordship, in this regard? Number 1, number 2, Your Lordship has directed us. The 2 ballot was there, Your Lordship. We have submitted the ballot in the police station, Your Lordship. Though in the report filed by the BDO, Your Lordship, they have stated that must not be treated as a supplementary affidavit, Your Lordship. But I will prove in the court of law that the particular ballot was sealed, stamped at signature by the officer, Your Lordship. Why you want, sir?
The petitioner's ballot or somebody.
Petitioner's ballot maybe.
Maybe, Your Lordship. Let the CCTV come.
Let the CCTV come, we will see.
CD and CCTV, Your Lordship.
On the scene.
Grateful.
Returnable ballot on 13th.
13th. Take the name of the presiding officer.
Grateful.
He will not know it offhand. Keep in touch with him so that he can inquire and he'll let you know.
Grateful.
Yeah, yes,
Grateful, Lordship.